Hey everybody, so you may be wondering what this dental care kit is. So just to give you hey, what's going on everybody? So hey, what's going on everybody? So this is a dental care kit, or I should say a dental repair kit. So all of us have had dental work done at some point in our life, and all of us know that dental work is very expensive. So this may be something you may or may not be willing to do. For me, this is something that I have done and it has worked out great. What I'm talking about is the things that you buy in the store, such as the Oragel and things of that nature, or these little things to fix your crowns, they don't work very well. So I was able to find this online, and if you have any sort of an apparatus or something that's broken, like I had a crown that cracked and literally like came off. Now, it wasn't to the point where it was causing me any pain or anything, but it was just a large chunk of it came off. So everyone knows how expensive a dentist is. So I'm like, screw that. I'm going to see if I can repair it myself. I know some of you are saying, there ain't no way in the world, screw that. But again, not everybody has insurance. Not everybody is rolling in the dough to be able to fork out thousands of dollars to get cosmetic dentistry done. But this worked out great. So let me tell you a little bit about this dental care kit that I was able to get. Can't remember what I paid for it, but I will find where I got it, and I'll link the description in the video. But very simple. It comes with a powder, and it also comes with a liquid. It kind of reminds you of epoxy. So what you do is you take your powder, and it comes with a little spoon like this, and you scoop out one little level thing of powder. You put it on this piece of paper here, and the cool thing about this little piece of paper, you can tear it off after you're done and use the next one, and then use the next one. So once you're done here, you take that. I'm not going to mix it together, but I'm going to show you. And you put just one single drop, and you can use either this or you can use this that it comes with, and this is what I use, and you just mix them together. Just to give you an idea, I'll do this one here. You just keep mixing it together, and what will happen is eventually the paste, it'll work itself into a paste with the liquid and the powder, and then once it gets to a certain consistency, this stuff will dry pretty quickly. So you have to make sure that once you get it mixed pretty well, you want to use it before it dries on you. So one thing I will suggest, depending on the application that you're using it in, make sure that the thing in your mouth, the part that broke off, and the part that's still attached to your face, you actually take a paper towel or something and you dry it very well. You don't want to have moistures if you can do it. Maybe even blow some air in there. But I recently had this happen with an old crown of mine that cracked off, and it was in just enough of a piece where I was able to put this cement in, and this thing has lasted over a year. I've had no pain, no issues, because there's no nerve exposed, because they took the nerve out years ago. It's just cosmetic dentistry. So just something to think about, something to keep in mind for those of us that don't have the funds or the money to go out and pay a dentist thousands upon thousands of dollars. Now, I'm sure there'll be some dentists watching that are telling me I'm crazy. Hey, you do what you got to do, right? Anyway, again, this is called a dental care kit, and I hope this helps. All right. Talk to you later.